We are given a circle here with some pieces of information. Now those pieces of information are the circle, when flattened out, goes all the way out to 6, which means I have a radius of 6 here. Okay, I have this angle A that's spun around, and after the angle A is spun around, I land on a coordinate with an x value of 2.6 and a y value of negative 5.4. This problem is asking me to find the sine of that angle. Now, there's shortcuts here, but let's remember what sine means. If we go back to SOHCAHTOA, and we're looking at a perfect right angle, right triangle like I just did, we have the opposite side and the hypotenuse. Okay, the sine of alpha is the opposite over the hypotenuse. Opposite over the hypotenuse. When I compare this to this, the hypotenuse is always going to be my radius, and the opposite in this case is going to be my y value up and down. So sine alpha is going to be the opposite, which is y, over the hypotenuse, which is r. So try to memorize the fact that your sine is going to be y over r. In this case, my y is negative 5.4 and my r is 6. So sine alpha is going to equal negative 5.4 over 6, which is going to be b. So once you have this memorized, life is going to be a lot easier when you run into problems like that.